ladies and gentlemen. My name is Omid Sarrafmanesh. I'm from Iran. I'm going to present my presentation about the communication in car factory. Let's move start. The outline is about the introduction, questions of audience. Yes, main points included to three main points. Um, that is about the methods of workers communication with employers, weakness and strongest communication points, and imposition of manager if you are a manager, how you deal with another employees, and conclusion, references and video link. That is, I linked this video and put it in YouTube. Let's move started. It's about the introduction. First, I have to tell you about one story. In 2014, workshop was launched in Tehran, capital of Iran. Employer decided to employ 10 staff, 30 operators, a project manager, and 2 engineers to manage the job, and he used a project manager that can allocate budget and time to finish the project in deadline. The project manager divide duties through the workshop personnel with the good communication. He understood to make a chart that can help the staff to have a good view of job. So let's move on to introduction. Nowadays there has a gap between some aspects of people lives. There are some interests to cover this gap by something that should be effective. The key factor is communication. That all communities need that. In particular, a glance that is conceptualized on business. It is a way of management. A society cannot remain without communication level. We have a goal communication and communication skills, verbally and non-verbally. All the companies must have knowledge about this to achieve the goals and achieve anything they want to for future. Now let's to now let's move to the next slide. Is about the question of audience. I ask in classroom, how many of you have a job in company or factory as manager? Just 5 of 10. How many of you think can have a proper communication with other section job? Just 5 of 10. How many of you had an issue with communication standards through your special position? 8 of 10. And the last one, how many of you had a complication in job? Just 6 of 10. Next slide. Communication methods of employees and employer, divided to three main point: meeting, via telephone, via face to face. In the meeting communication, we have the view of employees and the view of the employer. So in employees view in car factor, that is mentioned in the story, all staff have different needs that should be paid attention to them. For instance, an operator need extra salary for this month because his wife is pregnant, so pay attention to individuals need are most important than can be solved with meeting. Yes, and in employer view, employer have a core role in company. He or she can decide what, when, how, where a meeting can be held. For instance, if the employee decide to change process of company, need to gather employees and explain for them in the meeting. So next slide is about the telephone also is about the view of employees and view of the employers. In view of the employees, when boss of company go to trip and employees need to communicate with him or her, so telephone is good way. And in view of the employers, sometimes employer need to talk with one of the managers, unfortunately he is not available in factory. Nevertheless, he decide to call via telephone. And the next one is about the face-to-face communication in employees in view and employer view. In employee view, showing the expression of any labors is one of the benefits of nonverbal communication. And the employer view, employers can understand and discover a truth with this kind of communication. And so let's move to next slide. Is about the weakness and strongest communication points. It's divided to employer's view and employer's view. In employer's view, we have the strongest and weakness points. In strongest, self motivated and determined to reach the goals and success. One key factor is self motivation. And the team player, nobody is an island. Today globalization change anything. For instance, engineering who individually works before or in a small group, so they need more knowledge to keep continue and achieve the goals. And what's the weakness? And getting nervous and lack of skills. If somebody in their position have no skill in the position, he can't continue because the staffs cannot adopt themselves to the job environment 100% totally. And in the view of the employee's view, we have the weakness and the strongest. For weakness, lack of enough knowledge and selfishness. Selfishness is very bad because the subject for the employers, if a manager has selfishness behavior, he or she cannot accept anything in conversation. So he or she thinks all jobs that he or she likes or love it. um, so it's make issue for the company. And what's the strongest? Regular and accurate. Employer must have a characteristic key that control all procedure, decide to finish any conversation on time, has a specific time for meeting with another person and consulting. The factor can change all process through the procedures of company. For instance, an employers use diversity of engineers to have a meeting communication. It can help him or her to share idea and select the best way. Now move to next slide. In position of manager, how you deal with another employee in term of management and in term of strategies. In term of the management, time and budget. The time, meeting time and conversation limit time. Meeting time in case of manager who can has meeting with employees, but he or she needs to define time of meeting. And conversation time limit is very important in any meeting. Counseling in the budget and the surveying available budget with using the communication skill can help the process to supporting more budget for the company. The next slide is about the strategies verbally and non-verbally for managers. Verbally encourage open feedback and be a good listener. Yes, and for non-verbally, eye contact and paralanguage is a good. Paralanguage, this is a voice aspect apart from speech that manager use for emphasize, express negative point or positive. This kind of communication can be happened by pitch, speed, tone of speaking. Now the conclusion of my presentation, here we surveyed the methods of the workers communication, meeting, telephone, face-to-face, and we surveyed the weakness, strongest communication view of the employees and employers. And in position of manager, we surveyed the management and strategies. And this is my reference. And thank you for your cooperation. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.